Welcome, everyone. So, it has come to my attention that people need help with eyeliner. So, I've got a foolproof method to doing eyeliner. Let's get started, shall we? So, I start with my eyebrows. This is not an eyebrow tutorial, so we gonna get through this. I'll see you real soon. We're gonna become twins today. Ain't that always fun? If you're going for the glam look, this is what you're gonna do. If you don't wanna, if you're going for the natural look, you don't have to do this. You can just do your eyebrows, last or whatever. But we want that high arch, dramatic. You don't need high arches to be dramatic, but Well, so much for a high arch today. We'll be fine. I'm already dramatic enough without the eyebrows. So once you have that, you're gonna do this. Base the eyelids. But since we don't want that creasing, just gonna go ahead. What I didn't say was you're gonna powder everything. Don't poke yourself in the eye like I just did. Haha, like I just did. Oh, that's funny. No, it's not. I'm sorry. So now that we're this far, do your eyeshadow however you wish. However you're doing your eyeshadow, be sure that it comes out over here. This is how we're gonna do our eyeliner. It's also good to start your makeup off like this if you get a lot of fallout from your eyeshadow, like I always do. So this is the look we're going for today. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back with your concealer. And we're gonna clean up that eyeshadow. So what I'm talking about here doesn't matter at all. I would like to apologize. I'm gonna clean all of this up now. You're just gonna swipe it to clean up that line so you get a nice edge. Fun. You also avoid a lot of creasing if you do this before your foundation. And when doing your foundation, go around your giant under eye Gucci bags that you just brightened. Now you just want to make sure that they are the same on both sides. Très importante. Is that French in Spanish? So there we go. Now we've got a template that we can use to do our eyeliner with. Yeah. It's a new record for my neighbors. It's only 5 o'clock and they're already drunk. Hey, honey. Damn, they arguing now. If you can't control your dogs at this point, there's no hope for you. But now we're ready for eyeliner, so you're gonna just connect. You're just gonna go with the shape that you made. And great job showing everyone what you're doing. And if you got tiny eyelids like me, there is really no point in doing a whole line. It's just gonna close off your eyelid and defeat the whole purpose of doing the eyeliner. And now you can see it. There we are. And there we go. Okay. But if you are doing a whole line across, it's easier if you use the side. So you get longer of a line and a thinner of a line. And if you really want to make your eyes look big, do the inner corner. This is an advanced move. Don't do this if you ain't ready for it. If you don't have a light hand, I do not recommend. And here we are again with the amazing visuals. I'm so glad you could join us. What I'm saying here makes no sense, but there we have the eyeliner. The quintessential neighbor with the mouth of a sailor. That rhymed. But if you really want to make sure that your eyes stand out, take a white pencil eyeliner. This is literally like, what, $5? Go heavy in that waterline. And the weird faces are necessary. Très chic. If you aren't making the weird faces, you're doing something wrong. Now, don't go all the way to the baseline if you did the white eyeliner, because it's going to ruin the whole effect. And there you have it. Your beautiful symmetrical eyeliner. Press a like if you enjoyed. You don't have to subscribe. I wouldn't if I were you. But if you want to, hell, go for it. Have a lovely life. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?